In this journey of affiliate marketing, it's essential to remember that your first steps hold great significance. By downloading the SMART Goals worksheet, you're not just analyzing numbers, you're shaping a vision for your future. Visualize what earning $500 a day will mean for you: more freedom, the ability to invest in experiences, or a step towards financial independence. Feel that excitement and clarity drive each decision you make today. Now, as we proceed, it's time to chase that vision with a focused strategy. Let's dive into which programs will best suit your unique strengths. The exciting world of affiliate marketing hinges on choosing the right programs. In 2026, amidst the rapid evolution of digital trends, identifying lucrative niches is paramount. Let's explore these 3 golden opportunities. First, AI art and design tools are booming. They cater to creativity enthusiasts eager to dive into this innovative space. Next, print on demand offers immense potential as budding entrepreneurs seek to establish their brands. Lastly, the increasing demand for faceless video AI tools aligns perfectly with content creation trends that enable engagement without personal exposure. Select one that resonates with you, and remember, this is where your journey begins. Now, let's embrace the strategy of the 2026 faceless aesthetic. With your smartphone, you're uniquely equipped to create engaging, eye-catching content that catches attention without needing to show your face. Focus on capturing hyper-realistic AI luxury backgrounds or satisfying processes that showcase the art of creation. It's all about using visuals to tell your story. Consider this a canvas where your creativity can shine without the pressure of being in front of the camera. To ensure your content truly resonates, employ a captivating hook in your voiceover. Keep it brief yet impactful. Aim for a 7-second introduction that draws viewers in. For instance, you could say, "Unlock the secret AI tool I use to generate stunning art and sell it effortlessly on Printify." The aim is to create a sense of urgency and curiosity, motivating your audience to engage with your video further. Don't forget to pair this with dynamic, popping captions using CapCut, designed to keep viewers glued to their screens. Remember, the goal isn't just engagement, it's about creating shareable content where viewers feel compelled to save it for later. As we transition to the next critical phase, let's focus on the mechanics of getting your audience to the click. You've crafted a compelling video that's enticing and informative, but driving traffic to your affiliate link is where many stumble. Instead of the outdated link in bio tactic, embrace the frictionless strategy of immediate engagement. When viewers comment AI on your video, they will be prompted to receive a direct message containing not just your affiliate link, but also a valuable free resource. This creates a smoother pathway to conversion while strengthening your relationship with potential customers. Remember, the goal is to make it effortless for them to take the next step. A seamless experience equals higher conversion rates. The automation aspect of this strategy is what sets it apart. When viewers engage with your content, they receive an instant response, fostering a sense of personal connection that traditional methods lack. Not only do you provide them with your affiliate link, but you also direct them to a landing page offering a free resource, such as a cheat sheet on AI prompts. This strategic approach not only captures their attention but ensures you collect their email addresses, establishing a valuable line of communication for future promotions. With every interaction, you're building trust and authority, making it more likely that they'll convert when the time is right. As you embark on this journey, never underestimate the power of data. It allows you to adjust your tactics and enhance your earnings, ultimately leading you towards that $500 a day goal. Stay committed, and remember, each engagement is a step closer to your financial independence. The challenge offered today is more than just a task, it's a vital step towards transformation. When you participate, you join a community driven by ambition and innovation, eager to challenge the status quo. Remember, this isn't merely about financial returns, it's about crafting a lifestyle, seizing opportunities, and unlocking your potential in this evolving digital marketplace. Embrace the knowledge, apply the strategies, and embark on this journey together towards achieving your $500 daily goal. Now go forward boldly, and remember, the key to your success lies in consistent action and unwavering commitment. At this pivotal moment, your focus should pivot to the task at hand. Start by downloading the SMART Goals worksheet. This will help crystallize your objectives and streamline your efforts. Once you have your target, it's time to select your affiliate program strategically. Choose from the recommended niches and set your sights on one that ignites your passion. With a clear plan in place, you'll be empowered to build your faceless, AI-driven content from the ground up. Remember, the first step is crucial. Take ownership of your journey today. Integrate seamless automation into your strategy. This will be the key to scaling your efforts. Once your audience engages in the conversation by commenting, your system promptly responds, making them feel valued and connected. This encourages further interaction, elevating the likelihood of converting casual viewers into loyal followers. It's not just about pushing a sale, it's about fostering relationships. An instant DM with your affiliate link and a free resource gives them a taste of the value you offer. Each step in this systematic journey brings you closer to earning that coveted $500 daily, enhancing your credibility in the process. Embrace the challenge ahead, and let your unique voice shape the narrative. As you engage with this challenge, remember that each action you take lays a foundation for your future success. It's not merely about the clicks or the sales, it's about creating a sustainable strategy that empowers you. By focusing on the value you provide, you can cultivate a community around your brand, one that trusts your recommendations and looks forward to your insights. Follow through with your commitment to post your first faceless video. This marks the beginning of your journey towards that financial independence you seek. Keep pushing forward, stay adaptable, and let your ambition guide you to that $500 day. The task before you holds endless possibilities, and the excitement is just beginning. Dive into your chosen niche with passion, and embrace the potential to transform your engagement into meaningful income. As you embark on this journey, remember to refine your strategy continuously, making adjustments based on what resonates with your audience. Commit to learning and evolving, knowing that success comes to those who stay dedicated and innovative. Let's seize the opportunities before us, and together, we'll turn that vision of a $500 day into a thrilling reality. As you conclude this journey, remember that financial independence is not merely a dream, it's a tangible goal within your reach. Take the steps outlined today, embrace the tools at your disposal, and trust in your ability to succeed. Together, let's turn your aspirations into a reality.